Welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, you're going to see how I got this cute purple look. Now let me tell you, this look took a turn for the worse and I had to bring it back. So just in case this happens to you, hopefully this video can help you. So first, I'm doing my face and everything, applying my foundation, my concealer. I'm going to highlight, contour, do my blush, all of that goodness. Now let's talk about the eyeshadow look for a little bit. Now, y'all know how I typically do my eyeshadow looks. I go light right under the brow bone, right? So for this look, somehow I dipped into the purple. Well, I think I dipped into the light color and then something happened and then I dipped into the purple, and then when I went to put it on my eye, it was just purple. And as the look went on, it was just purple everywhere. So I was like, okay, we're just gonna turn this into a purple smoky eye and we're just gonna call it a day, because I was pressed for time. I had something to do, and at that moment, washing my face and starting over from the tin op, there just wasn't an option. So in the event that this happens to you, you can see how I fixed it, how I brought it back full circle, and how it was a bomb look, okay? So y'all have seen me do all of this a million times. I love to just keep it in here sometimes. The only thing that I did different for this look was I didn't set my eyes. So I applied the foundation and the concealer, and I set everything except for my eye area. So this is something that I wanted to try out to kind of see, you know, how it will work. Instead of setting everything and then going in on the eyelid with like an eyeshadow base or something, I just left that area wet so that the eyeshadow could grab a hold of it. So before I start applying the eyeshadow, I went in and brushed my brows. These are the colors that I'm going to be using, those purples in that little bottom section. And I just went in to make sure that I had a nice smooth area before I started applying the foundation, because I did have like some crease in there. So this is where it all went wrong right here. I applied that purple up there on accident, and I was like, well, I just gotta go hard or go home. As you can see, I'm a little distraught. So I was like, hey, what you do to one side, you got to do to the other side. That's basic mathematics. So I just said, we're gonna figure this out. So I went in at the eyelid with the purple and was like, okay, we're gonna work that in there really good, get that all over the lid. Then I went back up there and was like, I don't know. So then I went in the crease area with another purple shade, and at this point it was just like purple everywhere, and that's not what I was going for. So I was like, okay, the brush that I used to blend out that concealer on my lid, I'm gonna go in with that brush to kind of dampen the area a little bit, and then I'm going to apply a lighter shade up there. So this is me using that brush to kind of pat a little concealer up there, and then I was able to go in with my off-white to kind of highlight that area. And then after this, I was like, let's just smoke it out. So I added some black. Y'all know I love black eyeshadow. So I was like, let's just smoke it out. Let's add some black. It's gonna pop. It's gonna be A1. So before I added the black, I went in with some more of that purple on the lid. And black, just packed it on there in that outer corner. So you want to pack it on there in the outer corner and then blend it inward. And as y'all can see, the eyeshadow look pretty good. So I'm happy that it worked out. I added some eyeliner, then I went on to my brows, and I have been enjoying doing my brows after my eyeshadow. For some reason, it just works. If you haven't tried it, give it a try. If you like to carve out your brows and all of that, then you can do your brows first. So I applied some lip liner and I went in with my Mary Kay red lipstick. This is one of my favorite red lipsticks. Then I went in with some brow powder. And by this point, I was like, okay, all is not lost. So I popped on that mascara. Can't forget the brow gel. Got to lay them hairs down. Then, of course, I went in with some of my lashes. So, of course, my website is going to be in the description bar. So y'all can go order some of my lashes. I have 6 styles available. Woot woot. So make sure y'all go check them out. And these are in the style Assertive. I am loving this style at the moment. So this is the look, you guys. This was the ensemble. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. It's Sirap.